Alright, so right now we've reached the Hollywood Walk of Fame. So as you can see, you have those stars with the names written on it of the stars, Hollywood stars of course. And yeah, here is the entire road. Quite famous amongst tourists, one of the most famous walks or drives in the entire world. And yeah, you do have a lot of people around. So right here you have Michael Jackson. And here behind us is the Chinese theater. Alright, so we have come to a very, very different location now. It was like an hour-and-a-half drive from the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and we are at Laguna Beach in Irvine. Okay, this is a very it's to the south of LA, and yeah, like I said, an hour-and-a-half drive. And you have a nice beach. It's almost countryside. It's a coastal town. And first we'll have some food and then we'll show you around. So we have the ocean up ahead, and it's a nice little coastal town, and you have a lot of people around here today because it's weekend. I mean, to imagine that people here are living in areas where you work for the week, and in the weekend you just have like an hour drive and then you come to such a beautiful place. It's quite amazing. Yeah, so just so you can see the Laguna Beach here in Irvine, and yeah, it's a sweet spot. And the best part here is you can see those houses right up there. Now imagine waking up to this particular scene every morning. Wonderful. So I finally get to go into the water, which is lovely. Like, I was not prepared for this. I was not sure about whether we were getting like coming to the beach, so I'm not properly dressed for that, but I think that's all right. Alright, so we had a great time at the beach, stayed there for an hour or so, walked in the water, got a little wet, and I think that was just amazing. And now, as the sun is slowly starting to set, I mean, it's still quite high up, but it's getting more and more beautiful. It's getting less and less intense, the sun, and yeah, that's really helping.
যে সিদিনাখন যে আহিছিলোঁ হাইৱে 1 এইটোৱে এই ঘৰবিলাক চাবা
So we drove along Highway 1 along the Pacific coast, and now from the Laguna Beach we are here at the Huntington Beach, which is another very beautiful beach along the Pacific on the Pacific coast. And here you can see up ahead, you can also see there's an island straight up there, which most likely is the Catalina Island. Not sure about that. Crossing the road, to be a little careful.
Thank you. You're right, in this way. Straight ahead.
So up ahead is the Huntington Beach Pier, pretty much like the place that we visited yesterday at, okay, I keep forgetting the name, but yeah, the Santa Monica Pier. It's pretty similar, but a lot less people. Alright, this place is quite wonderful. I mean, you know, a lot of people chilling around. It's not as crowded as the Santa Monica Pier or, you know, the beach there. So it's a much better place to be. Of course, it's also because this is a little further away from, you know, the main city of LA. I think we drove for around like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and you know, you get this. So this right here is the end of the pier. You know, you can see this. Now we'll walk all the way back. So a lot of people are fishing around here, and this is something which I've seen is a very common practice. You know, in any of the piers, any of the beaches, people are fishing a lot, and that's a good way to spend your time around here. And yeah, it's a nice vibe. A lot of people playing on the beach and, you know, surfing. A lot of people on this side, they have been surfing, and I would have loved to try that once again. Did that once last time, but no time this time around.
Second, Ron needs a 577, Jason needs a 54, and it goes right. First turn, 5 pier red.
Think about everybody. Back order.
So we just got like a fridge magnet and, you know, like some small little souvenirs from this place. And I think as the time passes by, more and more people are coming in. There's some shows happening around here, people singing, dancing, having fun. Quite a good vibe. Alright, so now the next stop is a coffee stop, and we're just here by the ocean. That there, sundown time, and right here is Mustard Cafe. That's where we'll have our coffee. A double espresso, and I'm absolutely fresh. And you know, just now, I don't know if it's visible from here. Okay, not exactly. The sun is on the other side, and you know, the colors of the sky right now, the hues of the sky right now are beautiful. So yeah, now we are headed to another place where it's in Irvine itself, you know, like another family friend of ours. So I've been invited for dinner, so now we'll be headed there. So I think this was a day well spent.